every day, feeling headstrong. Default setting, my game face on. Realme.
Big display, Pro Sports. Presenting Realme Watch 2 Pro with 90 sports modes. Realme, dare to lead.
बिजनेस पागल है क्या भाई?
तेरे को रेशियो पता है कितने लोगों ने स्टार्टअप शुरू किया, कितने लोग सक्सेसफुल हुए?
चले तो चांद तक, नहीं तो शाम तक। हाँ?
क्या बात है।
अपना रोहन को देख ले भाई, उसके स्टार्टअप को किसी ने फंड नहीं किया तो उसने लोन ले लिया, तो अभी परेशान बैठा है भाई। ठीक है, बिजनेस क्या करने वाला है?
सुन, बिजनेस करना हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है
भाई फेल हो जाएगा फिर डिप्रेशन में चला जाएगा।
आइडिया है तो तू कौन पैसा लगाएगा?
क्यों अच्छी बड़ी जॉब छोड़ के जा रहा है?
भाई ये ड्रीम कम ट्रू वाला सीन
आज ही बस तुम्हारे शहर में किसी ने बिजनेस नहीं किया।
Noise cancelling.
In a society full of noise, find your own melody.
हाँ सर।
हाँ, ऑर्डर कब तक हो जाएगी?
हाँ सर, आज डिलीवर हो जाएगा।
जियो अपनी धुन पे, जियो नॉइज।
इस साल शादी कर ही लो बेटा, मुझे तो नाचना है तुम्हारी शादी में।
मैंने तो साड़ी भी सिलेक्ट करके रखी है। बेटा लड़के देखना आप शुरू कर दे, वरना अच्छे लड़के हाथ से निकल जाएंगे। क्यों भाभी?
अरे लेकिन उसका कहना है कि पहले वो अपने करियर पे, पीजी पे ध्यान दे, फिर शादी कर लेगी।
अरे तब तक तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी।
मेरा भी वही कहना है, अब आप ही देख लो।
नहीं नहीं, आप ठीक रहो,
बाद में प्रेगनेंसी में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो जाएंगे।
अब आप ही समझाओ अभी उसे।
आजकल की लड़कियां
मेरा भी वही कहना है, अब आप ही देख लो।
Noise cancelling.
In a society full of noise, find your own melody. जियो अपनी धुन पे, जियो नॉइजलेस।
तू एक ही है, एक लौता, और तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। ये तुझे समझना होगा और इस पे तुझे विश्वास करना होगा। ये पूरी जंग असल रहने की है। As far as I'm real me, I'm unstoppable. मामूली नहीं, खास है।
Every day, feeling headstrong. Default setting, my game face on. Realme.
Big display, Pro Sports. Presenting Realme Watch 2 Pro with 90 sports modes. Realme, dare to lead.
बिजनेस पागल है क्या भाई?
तेरे को रेशियो पता है कितने लोगों ने स्टार्टअप शुरू किया, कितने लोग सक्सेसफुल हुए?
चले तो चांद तक, नहीं तो शाम तक। हाँ?
क्या बात है।
अपना रोहन को देख ले भाई, उसके स्टार्टअप को किसी ने फंड नहीं किया तो उसने लोन ले लिया, तो अभी परेशान बैठा है भाई। ठीक है, बिजनेस क्या करने वाला है?
सुन, बिजनेस करना हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है
भाई फेल हो जाएगा फिर डिप्रेशन में चला जाएगा।
आइडिया है तो तू कौन पैसा लगाएगा?
क्यों अच्छी बड़ी जॉब छोड़ के जा रहा है?
भाई ये ड्रीम कम ट्रू वाला सीन
आज ही बस तुम्हारे शहर में किसी ने बिजनेस नहीं किया।
Noise cancelling.
In a society full of noise, find your own melody.
हाँ सर।
हाँ, ऑर्डर कब तक हो जाएगी?
हाँ सर, आज डिलीवर हो जाएगा।
जियो अपनी धुन पे, जियो नॉइजलेस।
इस साल शादी कर ही लो बेटा, मुझे तो नाचना है तुम्हारी शादी में।
मैंने तो साड़ी भी सिलेक्ट करके रखी है। बेटा लड़के देखना आप शुरू कर दे, वरना अच्छे लड़के हाथ से निकल जाएंगे। क्यों भाभी?
अरे लेकिन उसका कहना है कि पहले वो अपने करियर पे, पीजी पे ध्यान दे, फिर शादी कर लेगी।
अरे तब तक तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी।
मेरा भी वही कहना है, अब आप ही देख लो।
नहीं नहीं, आप ठीक रहो,
बाद में प्रेगनेंसी में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो जाएंगे।
अब आप ही समझाओ अभी उसे।
आजकल की लड़कियां
मेरा भी वही कहना है, अब आप ही देख लो।
Noise cancelling.
In a society full of noise, find your own melody. जियो अपनी धुन पे। Geo noiseless.
तू एक ही है, इकलौता, और तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। ये तुझे समझना होगा और इस पे तुझे विश्वास करना होगा। ये पूरी जंग असल रहने की है। As far as I'm real me, I'm unstoppable. मामूली नहीं, खास है।
Hello, hello, hello to all Realme fans, friends and partners tuning in today. I'm Srihari, Product Manager at Realme Global, and I'd like to start off by thanking you for joining us today. The last year or so has been tough, and we at Realme hope and pray for all of us to come out onto the other side safe and well. As a product manager, I've seen the growth of our tech at Realme very closely, and I can assure you that this series of products that you see today will be one to remember. But before we dive into our newest AIoT products, let's take a look back at the year that's been. In May 2020, Realme Buds Wireless sales crossed 1 million units globally. By June 2020, Realme Watch had found over 15,000 wrists to work its magic. Only its first sale, and that watch broke an unprecedented record. In Q2 of 2020, Realme emerged as the #1 TWS brand. We captured 3 spots in the top 5 models in shipments, implying Realme's dominance in the TWS market as per Counterpoint research. The IDC monthly wearable device tracker ranked Realme Watch #1 in its category at the end of September 2020, and Realme Watch even went on to become the most shipped watch in Q2 and Q3 of the 2020 year. And in January 2021, we were titled the dark horse of wearables by Counterpoint's Global Smart Wearable Report. Realme Buds Q became the most shipped TWS in India in 2020 as per IDC. Counterpoint Research TWS market tracker also reported that we had garnered over 2% of the global TWS market share. Realme India has also emerged to be one of the top 2 brands in smart wearable watches, smart band and TWS category in 2020 as per IDC. Realme is well known online, however we grew very fast offline as well. By February 2021, Realme led the watch category with 20.9% share in the offline channel and the TWS category with 20.3% share. Realme is now a holistic tech brand and has entered the AIoT 2.0 era with an advanced 1+5+T strategy. The new 1+5+T strategy is a progression from the previous 1+4+N strategy and further expands Realme's AIoT ecosystem and product portfolio. 1+5+T is defined as 1 smartphone, 5 key categories for Realme's AIoT products including TWS or True Wireless Stereo, wearables, smart TVs, laptops and tablets. T stands for Tech Life, Realme's open partner platform which aims to support innovative and dynamic AIoT startups through the sharing of Realme's own sales channels and supply chains, etc. With the year that has been, there couldn't be a better time to bring to you our newest range of wearables and hearables, each one powered by AIoT, that breaks a new barrier in the success of its predecessors. Today, we'll be talking about some amazing products. Realme Watch 2 Pro, Realme Watch 2, Realme Buds Wireless 2, Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, and Realme Buds Q2 Neo. So let's start with the Realme Watch 2 Pro. Last year, we released our first ever Realme smartwatch with a trend-setting design and practical functionality. The Realme Watch became an instant hit with the younger users right after the launch. Building on to our previous success, today I'm very excited to introduce to you the all-new Realme Watch 2 Pro, and I'm confident that this amazing device will surprise you with its features. A powerful display is a key part of improving the user experience. We received a lot of positive feedback from our customers on the 1.4-inch large color display of the Realme Watch. This year, we've gone even further to enhance the display features on the Realme Watch 2 Pro and equipped it with an upgraded 1.75-inch large color display. The screen viewing area has been dramatically improved. So let's guess how much, right? 10%? 15%? Well, the screen area has been improved by 56% over the previous model. Amazing, isn't it? In addition to its increased size, the watch display also features a 30 frames per second high refresh rate to deliver a smoother experience, great finger controls, and improved reactiveness. The Realme Watch 2 Pro features a luxurious high-resolution display of 320 by 385 pixels and a peak brightness of 600 nits, which ensures that the display remains clearly visible even under direct sunlight. Also, the Realme Watch 2 Pro comes with a rich library of over 100 stylish watch faces. No matter if you're looking for a simple style, mechanical style, or a more mature style, we've got you all covered. As you know, Realme never stops at just enough. For the Realme Watch 2 Pro, we partnered with Graflex, a well-known Korean designer, to create customized designer watch faces for our users that deliver a new level of style. Realme Watch 2 Pro is also our first smartwatch to introduce vivid and eye-catching dynamic watch faces. As an advanced consumer sports watch, the Realme Watch 2 Pro includes powerful features for sports scenarios, accurate GPS, blood oxygen and heart rate detection, a rich variety of sports modes, all delivered through the exclusive Real Sports engine. First, let's talk about the various sports modes. To meet the demands of our young users, we've upgraded the Realme Watch 2 Pro and Realme Watch 2 with a total of astonishing 90 sports modes. No matter which sports mode you're interested in, the Realme Watch 2 Pro has a mode for you. In line with other professional sports watches, the Realme Watch 2 Pro also includes critical GPS functionality. The Realme Watch 2 Pro features a dual satellite GPS, which provides users the highest positioning accuracy of 2.5 meters and the fastest positioning time of up to 2 seconds. The watch also includes other key features such as blood oxygen level monitoring and heart rate monitoring to keep you updated on your health and exercise status in real time. Realme Watch 2 Pro uses an advanced PPG sensor to accurately monitor your blood oxygen levels and heart rate. This is the beauty of the exclusive Realme Sports engine. Integrated on the Realme Watch 2 Pro, it provides a more accessible version of professional sports watch functionality to our users. For smartwatch users, frequent charging has always been a big issue. Achieving longer standby times for such a small smartwatch was also a significant challenge for Realme. We've upgraded the Realme Watch 2 Pro with a 390 mAh high-efficiency battery. Even with the screen size increased to 1.75 inches, the watch can still deliver up to 14 days of battery life. You will only have to charge it once every 2 weeks. This helps free your attention and time for more important tasks. With IP68 water resistance, you won't have to take the watch off to wash your hands or have to worry about sweating while exercising. The Realme Watch 2 Pro also includes our highly acclaimed smart notification functionality. Whether it's an app notification, call rejection, audio controls, or remote capture and control, everything can be easily handled right through the smartwatch. The Realme Watch 2 Pro also includes a meditation mode, sedentary reminder, find your phone, drink reminder, and many other functionalities that will help you remain healthy and informed. To finish off, let's take a look at the product video and some pictures.
Feeling headstrong, default setting, my game face on. That's right, all systems go, go, go. Real me is the way to go. Drop the beat with me, step it up with me, dance to link with
Big display, Pro Sports. Presenting Realme Watch 2 Pro with 90 sports modes. Realme, dare to leap.
This is a newly upgraded Realme Watch 2 Pro. With its 1.75-inch large color display, dual satellite GPS, 90 sports modes, real-time heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, up to 14 days of battery life, and IP68 water resistance, all delivered to you on a new smartwatch experience and will serve as an indispensable part of your smart lives. While the Realme Watch 2 Pro is in a league of its own, the Watch 2 comes with its upgrades and commands its own balance. A product that has innovation written all over it. Not literally, of course. A perfect bridge from what's gone to what's to come in the wearable watch category. The watch comes with a 1.4-inch large color touchscreen, which enables you to clearly see and use the watch face by just lifting your wrist. The watch display also comes with a 30 frames per second high refresh rate to deliver a smoother experience, improved reactiveness, and better touch controls. The Realme Watch 2 features a luxurious high-resolution display of 320 by 320 pixels and a peak brightness of 600 nits as well, which ensures the display will remain clearly visible even under direct sunlight. The Realme Watch 2 also includes a rich library of over 100 stylish watch faces and supports vivid and eye-catching dynamic watch faces. Let's take a look at it together. We also provide album choices, so maybe you can use your picture or your dog's or your daughter's, anyone that you want. The watch comes equipped with a 315 mAh large battery, which can last up to 12 days. This ensures you won't have any issues with charge even after an entire week. It also has magnetic charging and can be fully charged within 2.5 hours, so the Sport Assistant can accompany you easily. What's more is that the Realme Watch 2 also features IP68 water resistance, so you do not need to be afraid of sweating and can even wash your hands with it for as long as you would want. The Realme Watch 2 is also your life partner. We use an advanced PPG sensor to accurately monitor your blood oxygen levels and heart rate. Now, apart from blood oxygen level and heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring is also present to keep you updated on your health and exercise status in real time. You will get an alert when your heart rate is too high. This will definitely help to know more about your body and stay on top of your health. Now, here's a feature that's going to blow your mind. And we've included this both in the Realme Watch 2 Pro and the Realme Watch 2. And that is that it now supports Iot Remote Control. So you can not only remotely control your earbuds, but your Realme Smart Bulb, Realme Smart Plug, and many other Realme IoT products. Just a simple click and you can remotely control all these devices. This is our newly upgraded Realme Watch 2 that features a 1.4-inch color touchscreen, up to 12 days of battery life, over 90 sports modes, and various stylish watch faces. Realme Watch 2 also features heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, remote IoT control, an IP68 water resistant rating, smart notifications, and magnetic charging base. To finish off, let's take a look at the product video and some pictures.
Realme, dare to leap.
The watch serves as a fantastic choice for those looking for something more accessible. The Realme Watch 2 and the Realme Watch 2 Pro are the revolution in wearables for 2021. And our belief at Realme is that you will dare to leap into this new range. We look forward to seeing you sporting it everywhere you go. And now to bring on our audio expert Basul to take you through the newest offerings in Realme's range of hearables. Basul, over to you.
Thanks, Shri. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you from the entire team at Realme. I am Basul, product manager at Realme, and I would like to share a statistic that Shri missed in his opening. With the way things have been going, I would say Realme is also India's most loved tech brand from the year 2020 and 2021. No, this hasn't come from any official research, just the vibe we at Realme have been receiving from crores of Realme fans, friends, supporters, or partners. And now to my favorite part, the latest of our audio technology. Please give a warm welcome to our new truly wireless tech band earphones, the Realme Buds Wireless 2. Just like the Buds Air 2, these earphones were tuned in collaboration with the Chainsmokers. Before we get into details, let's sit back and watch a short film shot by the duo.
This is the Chainsmokers, special invited chief tuner of Realme. Realme Buds Wireless 2. Noise off, bass on. Realme, dare to leap.
I won't go too much into the Chainsmokers here. Suffice to say that they are a highly talented team with hits popular with young people across the world. We have partnered with them to tune a variety of devices that will release over this year. I hope you look forward to them. When we released the Realme Buds Q2, we said we were determined to bring noise cancellation to the masses. That we wanted to make what was originally a high-end feature was made affordable for the average user, to free more young people from annoying noises so that they can express themselves and enjoy more genuine sounds. To this end, the Realme Buds Wireless 2 supports up to 25 decibels of noise cancellation and can filter out most low-frequency noises, including the rumble of airplanes, the subway, and other transportation. It also cancels out noise of home appliances so that you can immerse yourself in the music or work without being disturbed. Like with all our earphones with ANC, the Realme Buds Wireless 2 supports transparency mode. When it's on, you'll still be able to hear conversation around you through the microphone. That means you'll still be able to talk to your friends while wearing the earphones. For calls, the Realme Buds Wireless 2 uses Lvox Vogue Plus AI call noise cancellation. Based on deep neural network and computational auditory scene analysis, this technology extracts clear human voices across 360 degrees by separating them from the environment in real time. You will be able to make clear and crisp calls even from an open office, busy cafe, or near a highway. By testing the device in busy roadsides, our engineers found that background noise was completely eliminated. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 uses proprietary next-gen intelligent noise reduction chip, the R2 chip. The greatest highlight of this chip is ability to support active noise cancellation. It also features fantastic computing performance and better energy efficiency, which means connections are more stable and calls are higher quality. Sound quality is definitely the highlight of the Realme Buds Wireless 2. At Realme, we know that powerful hardware is the foundation of good sound quality. To this end, we have supersized the dynamic coil to 13.6 millimeters. The coil is composed of multi-layer composite diaphragm and a Daikoku copper-clad aluminum voice coil to provide deeper and more powerful dive bass. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 also supports 990 kbps Sony LDAC high-res audio technology. LDAC is a codec commonly used in high-end Bluetooth earphones and is capable of transmitting audio data at 3 times the rate of conventional SBC codecs, delivering richer audio and near lossless quality. As I mentioned previously, we are still working with the Chainsmokers to jointly develop Bass Boost Plus to get the most out of our 13.6mm large dynamic coil. The power of the bass will make you feel like you are standing right in a concert. You will find no better match, especially when you are in the mood for rock or electro. In addition, we have added 2 modes to the Bass Boost Plus in the Realme Link app, Dynamic and Bright. Dynamic balances bass, treble and mid sound, while the Bright enhances the human voice. Bright mode is perfect for listening to podcasts and audiobooks. In terms of charge, the Realme Buds Wireless 2 will be our first earphones to use the same dart charge technology found on our smartphones. You will be able to listen to music for up to 12 hours on just a 10 minutes of charge. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 is a monumental leap over the previous model, which could only last for around 2 hours, and the nearly quickest charge in the industry. Its battery life has taken a giant leap. The battery can now last a total of 22 hours. If you use the device for 3 hours a day, you won't have to charge it for a whole week. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 also includes our highly acclaimed game mode, which can reduce latency to just 88 milliseconds, nearly the lowest in the industry. Game mode helps keep audio in sync with the display, especially in the high demanding scenarios such as gaming or watching a movie. An incredibly well-rounded device. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 also supports Magnetic Instant Connect. The feature automatically turns off the earphones when they are being placed together and reconnects them to your phone when they are separated out. Google Fast Pair helps you to pair the device to your phone quickly and painlessly, making first-time setup a breeze. As its name suggests, quick switch between devices helps you quickly switch between the two paired devices. For example, if you answer a call while music is playing on your computer, the function helps you quickly switch to the call on your phone. The device has a water resistance ratings of IPX5, so feel free to keep it while you are working out. Quality is also excellent. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 has passed a slew of rigorous quality tests that guarantee you will be using these earphones for a very long time. So I'm sure all of you are waiting to know the price of these fantastic earphones, which have been fully upgraded in design, noise cancellation, sound quality, fast charge and battery life, all while being fine-tuned by the top DJ duo, the Chainsmokers. The announcement is coming, don't worry. Now, following the power pack Realme Buds Wireless 2 is the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo for when you are an audiophile but are still warming up to it. The Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo is a new entry-level neckband earphone with the most powerful bass in the segment. Although it is the Neo model of the Realme Buds Wireless 2, the sound quality is no compromise. In the small body of earbuds, we have put an 11.2mm driver, almost one of the largest in the segment. We have also applied Bass Boost plus Bass Enhancement solution in the Buds Wireless 2 Neo, bringing you bass that sounds like it's live. Turn up the bass to enjoy the richer and more dynamic music you like. With this massive built-in battery, you are good for up to 17 hours of non-stop playback. So do not worry about the sound cutting out when you are grooving to the favorite song or getting immersed in a game with Buds Wireless 2 Neo. Besides, the Buds Wireless 2 Neo is equipped with Type-C charging port and supports quick charge. 10 minutes can last for 120 minutes of playback. Hate it when the sound doesn't sync when you are gaming? Buds Wireless 2 Neo also supports game mode with super low latency. Turn on game mode to shrink latency to 88 milliseconds and everything will feel instantaneous. When it comes to noise cancellation, Buds Wireless 2 Neo supports ENC ambient noise cancellation algorithm, which picks up your voice and cancel out background noise during calls. As a result, your voice can be clearly heard by others. Well, this is Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, 11.2mm large driver with Bass Boost Plus, 17 hours of battery life with quick charge, super low latency, ENC noise reduction algorithm, magnetic instant connect, 23.1 gram ultra lightweight body and IPX4 water resistance. I believe it will go on to become the choice for the young in the entry-level neckband segment.
Hey, how are you doing?
The Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo will be available in true fresh colors, black and blue. And if you are someone who loves pure authentic bass, the booms and the baps in your ears without missing a beat, it's time to introduce you to Realme Buds Q2 Neo, the more affordable deep bass earphone. Let's start by looking at its amazing design. Most of the TWS earbuds available in the market are quite conventional. They feature one solid color with perhaps the addition of a logo, but nothing eye-catching. But at Realme, we love breaking through the mold. Cutting-edge design is imprinted in our DNA, and we love creating truly unique and stylish products that captivate the attention of the users. So, this time, we have doubled down our imagination, imbuing it into a product that pops out of freshness. Can you guess what the picture is? I trust that everyone is extremely familiar with it. Yes, it is a form of kaleidoscope. It represents fantasy and imagination that live in each of our arts, where we can find 1,000 variations with just a single twist. We are releasing Realme Buds Q2 Neo in two colors, a classic black and a unique blue. Realme Buds Q2 Neo also features quick charging, bringing you 120 minutes of playback on just 10 minutes of charge. Devices in the same price range can only give you 40 minutes of playback in the same time frame. So we are doing 3 times better than the competition. That's what I call excellence and indeed a true wireless freedom. Realme Buds Q2 Neo will also bring you a stellar listening experience. Good hardware is a foundation of good sound quality. To provide that, we have used a PEEK plus TPU polymer composite diaphragm imported from Japan. TPU features a great elasticity while PEEK provides toughness. These two types of material combined, one malleable, one tough, brings you a rich layered listening experience. We have also applied our Bass Boost Plus technology, which was created by a master sound mixer with 10 years of experience. In addition, we have added 3 equalizer presets in the Realme Link app: bass, dynamic, and bright. Dynamic balances bass, treble, and mid sounds, while bright enhances the human voice. Bright mode is perfect for listening to podcasts and audiobooks. Our product managers have really thought of everything. Exquisite craftsmanship, extraordinary battery life, outstanding sound quality, and superior connectivity are the key features of Realme Buds Q2 Neo. Furthermore, Realme Buds Q2 Neo features an environmental noise cancellation algorithm, which is highly effective at lowering environmental noise during calls. So, no matter how loud or chaotic your surroundings are, your voice will come through clearly on calls. There is also a gaming mode with 88 millisecond super low latency. That means sound and picture will sync perfectly whether you're watching movies or playing games intensively. It also features an IPX4 water resistance rating. All these qualities combined makes Realme Buds Q2 Neo an outstanding pair of TWS earbuds.
Hi.
Realme, dare to leap.
A whirlwind of a year, and the joy of bringing to you the best in-line AIoT products, the excitement of looking forward to seeing you champion each of those from our hearables to wearables, each with an audience of its own. But the cherry on the cake is to follow an essential part of our relationship with you depends on how affordable we make each of our products for all of you. Over to Shri once again for what he does the best, bring you some of the warmest surprises.
Thank you, Basil. From shocking gasps to long, excited messages on social media, our price drops have increasingly become one of the most favorite sections of every launch. So let's get on to it with all the price points on the products from today. We bring to you the Realme Watch 2 Pro that embodies a big display and a feel of pro sports with a 1.75-inch large color display, high precision dual satellite GPS, up to 14 days of battery life, and 90 sports modes. It's available in the stunning colors of metallic silver and space grey. Realme Watch 2 Pro is priced at only Rs 4,999. First sale begins on 26 July 12 am onwards and will be available on realme.com, amazon.in and stores near you. The wearables line is also graced by the Realme Watch 2. Smart, sporty and always on, delivering a 1.4-inch large color touchscreen, 90 sports modes and up to 12 days of battery life. Available in classic black, the Realme Watch 2 is priced at only Rs 3,499. You can also avail an early bird offer on the Realme Watch 2 on Flipkart at only Rs 2,999. First sale begins on 26 July 12 am onwards and will be available on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you. Front-running the hearables range is the Realme Buds Wireless 2. It brings on the bass and turns off the noise with active noise cancellation. It also packs in Sony LDAC high-res audio, dart charge capabilities and a large 13.6mm bass boost driver. With base yellow and base grey colors, the Realme Buds Wireless 2 is priced at only Rs 2,299. You can also avail an early bird offer on the Realme Buds Wireless 2 on Flipkart at only Rs 1,999. First sale begins on 26 July 12 noon onwards and will be available on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you. For the lovers of boom bap and for those who enjoy better bass non-stop comes the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, which sports 11.2mm large bass boost driver, up to 17 hours of total playback, and a magnetic instant connection. Clad in the elegant colors of black and blue, Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo is priced at only Rs 1,499. You can also avail an early bird offer on the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo on Amazon.in at only Rs 1,399. First sale begins on 26 July 12 AM onwards and will be available on realme.com, amazon.in and stores near you. And the finale of today's launch comes with the Realme Buds Q2 Neo. The truly wireless buds comes with 20 hours of total playback, 10mm bass boost driver, 88 millisecond super low latency, and is available in black and blue. The Realme Buds Q2 Neo is priced at only Rs 1,599. You can also avail an early bird offer on the Realme Buds Q2 Neo on Flipkart at only Rs 1,299. First sale begins on 29 July 12 noon onwards and will be available on realme.com, flipkart.com and stores near you. And with that, we come to a close of our launch today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope all of you are masking up and staying safe. On a final note, I'd like to mention that from this moment on, Realme's new artificial intelligence tech and its latest range of wearables and hearables is for each one of you to experience, celebrate and champion. I can assure you that we've dared to leap and leap high, and now we are waiting for you to dare to leap, wouldn't you?
Realme, dare to leap.
तू एक ही है, इकलौता, और तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। ये तुझे समझना होगा और इस पे तुझे विश्वास करना होगा। ये पूरी जंग असल रहने की है। As far as I'm Realme, I'm unstoppable. मामूली नहीं, खास है।
Feeling headstrong, default setting, my game face on. That's right, all systems go, go, go. Real me is the way to go. Drop the beat with me, step it up with me, dance to leap with me, come move with me. Come on, move with me, come on, baby. Move with me, come on, baby.
Voice cancel. Big Display Pro Sports, presenting Realme Watch 2 Pro with 90 sports modes. Realme, dare to leap.
This is the Chainsmokers, special invited cheap tuner of Realme. Realme Buds Wireless 2. Noise off, bass on. Realme, dare to leap.
Realme, dare to leap.
Realme Watch 2 Pro. Style meets sports. Realme Dare to Leap.
Realme, dare to leap.
तू एक ही है, एक लौता, और तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। ये तुझे समझना होगा और इस पे तुझे विश्वास करना होगा। ये पूरी जंग असल रहने की है। As far as I'm real me, I'm unstoppable. मामूली नहीं, खास है।
Feeling headstrong, default setting, my game face on. That's right, all systems go, go, go. Real me is the way to go. Drop the beat with me, step it up with me, dare to leap with me, come move with me. Come on, move with me, come on, baby. Move with me, come on, baby.
Voice cancel. Big Display Pro Sports. Presenting Realme Watch 2 Pro with 90 sports modes. Realme, dare to leap.
This is the Chainsmokers, special invited cheap tuner of Realme. Realme Buds Wireless 2. Noise off, bass on. Realme, dare to leap.
Hi.
Realme, dare to leap.
Realme Watch 2 Pro. Style meets sports. Realme Dare to Leap.
Dare to leap.